Today, I will talk about my favorite food and drink. My favorite food is fried chicken, and my favorite drink is orange juice. I usually have them 2 or 3 times a week. I often eat fried chicken at a restaurant near my house, or sometimes cook it at home with my family. On weekends, we enjoy having a big meal together and talk happily while eating. I like fried chicken because it's crispy, delicious, and give me a lot of energy after a long day, and also give me protein to, orange juice is my favorite drink because it is sweet, fresh, and full of vitamins. It helps me to stay healthy and feel relaxed. I think fried chicken and orange juice are a perfect combination for me.